A girl with games will take you down. Your calls will fail as she gets real. Scammers cry when she unloads. Don't mess with her, you will fry.
Folks, this is a little something that just didn't materialize last week, and I kept it. And I'm glad I did because I don't have anything to put up. Only thing I've got on the phone today is either a car insurance or final expense, and I'm just not doing those. So, unless I can get an actual bait, ones like I have been putting up, I'm not going to put those little. This is your insurance company. You got to buy life insurance shit. I'm not doing that. So I'm just putting up one for today and hoping I can get something later this evening or tomorrow. But anyway, enjoy the video.
For support, this is Kevin. How may I help you?
Yeah, I got a text message stating that I owe $398.99 in Apple Pay. I don't even have an Apple account.
Oh, okay. So are you receiving this message on your Android phone?
Uh-huh, yes, I am.
So you don't have an iPhone, right?
No.
All right. Double check it, ma'am. You have an iPhone.
No, I don't have an iPhone. I have an Android. I have a Galaxy.
Uh,
I have a Galaxy S15.
Okay. All right. Give me a minute. Let me check your phone number. Okay. So you need to be on a line. Let me check some details about this. And can you please help me out with your full name?
It's Calista Sabatini.
It's Calista. That is Calista.
Colista.
Colista.
Right. And Sabatini, S-A-V as in Victor, A-T as in Tom, I-N-I.
Okay. All right, Miss Calista, stay on the line.
All right.
Are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, ma'am. So I just checked onto your phone number and your name, and it looks like you do have an Apple account under your name. So do you share your details with anyone, like email addresses and the rest of the details?
Well, I have a work email that I share with work, with my work.
Okay. Okay. Well, with this phone number and with this name, we have several Apple accounts, and they are in multiple devices at the same point of time. If you want, I can tell you about the locations as well.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So give me a minute so I can find out the locations on which your account is being used. Okay.
Okay.
It looks like the Apple account is running in West Virginia,
Okay.
Ohio, Pennsylvania, and Texas.
Okay. But I don't have Apple, so none of them are mine.
Well, ma'am, these details are there with your phone number and your name. So that means somebody opened bogus accounts by your details. It could be in case of identification theft. Maybe somebody has your identities and the details and they are misusing it to create bogus accounts on different platforms.
Okay, so
So do you want me to help you for the verification process?
Yeah, I would like to have them canceled because they're not mine.
Okay. Well, we cannot cancel them directly. First of all, we can help you to identify your identity. Then we can close those accounts.
Okay.
All right. So, do you have WhatsApp on your phone? Do you use the WhatsApp?
No, I don't use anything like that on. I don't even have Facebook on my, because I took Facebook off and
Oh.
everything. I don't use any of that.
All right, ma'am. The WhatsApp is an end-to-end encrypted service which can help you to identify your identity. So we can install it for the time being, and later you can uninstall it at any point of time.
What does WhatsApp do? I mean, what is it? Wait, I can do it like this and find out quicker.
It helps you to connect with the artificial intelligence servers in order to verify the fraud activities which are done by your name on the internet on different websites.
It's a messaging service and a voice over IP service owned by Meta.
Mhm.
So Facebook owns it. That allows
No.
users. No,
The company-
Meta is
The
Facebook.
company owns multiple applications. That doesn't mean that Facebook owns the WhatsApp. Okay?
Allows users
They
to
are
send
different
text,
entities
voice,
working
and
under the
video
same name.
messages, make calls, and share media over the internet. Share media. I don't want to share. Look. I have a lot of sensitive information that's passed between my phone and my computer because I am an insurance agent, and I have multiple clients'
Mhm.
data stored.
Okay, hold on a second. Fine, ma'am. Okay.
All right.
Are you calling from the same device on which you got the message, or are you using a different device?
No, I'm using it. Come on my cell phone.
Okay. So, and the cell phone is Samsung, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you don't have any iPhone at your home?
No, I've never owned anything, any Apple product ever.
Oh, okay. So, ma'am, the thing is, there are some serious issues going on with your phone number and with your name, like the bogus accounts that I already told you. So, if you want us to help you in that, well, we have to work via the WhatsApp. Apart from that, I will not be able to help you.
Well, you're not going to be able to help me, and I'll contact my lawyer because I am not putting on something that will allow people to get on my phone and get my clients' sensitive information.
But ma'am, the details are already compromised. Maybe there are someone who is having an access to that. That's why you got this message.
Well, I'm not putting WhatsApp on my phone. Period.
Okay, then you can have
Now,
it your
can you
way. Bye.
now can you put it on a computer? Well, he didn't give me time to find out that. They want on your phone. That way I'll tell you exactly how this goes. They want on your phone. That way with WhatsApp. And the shit that pardon my French, the things it can do. Like it requires a cellular mobile phone number for registration and function across Android, iOS, desktop, and other devices, utilizing your phone's data or Wi-Fi connection to avoid standard SMS fees. But it sends text, voice, video messages, calls, shares media. It's the same thing, just pretty much as any desk, only bigger, does more. You can do a little bit of everything over it. So no, they can keep this one. Just don't do it because this is like they're really trying to get into your shit with this one. So just don't do it. I think I tried this again, only with a flip phone, one that I can't put an app on. We'll see what happens. I have an
Right.
Apple account.
Well, you have reached Apple support. May I know the reason of your call?
I got a text message says your Apple ID case ID 94172635 has violated account security rules and triggered a risk reminder. A pending $398.99 in-game purchase charge for game premium bundle was authorized via Apple Pay. I don't have Apple. I don't have anything Apple.
That is very unfortunate. Let me pull up your account and check out why you were charged for. Can you please help me with your first and your last name?
It's Angela Stark.
Angela Starks, right?
Right.
Can you help me with your zip code?
24870.
And the cell phone, you're calling me from your cell phone or is this from the landline?
It's a cell phone.
Cell phone. Well, I'm so sorry to say, but here I can see that there is an account recently created using your information with the registered number ends with 9281. Here, this purchase, $398.99. That was for the game premium bundle. Is that correct?
That's what it said.
And you're telling me you did not authorize this charge?
I don't have Apple. I don't have Apple Pay. I don't have iTunes. I don't have anything Apple.
Right, and we do see some alert on your account because I can see from different locations, multiple devices have been signed into your Apple Pay. So it could be someone else, they are trying to hack you. They're trying to misuse your identity and as well as your financial information, okay? Hold on, let me be quick. Let me go ahead and hold down these charges, okay?
All right.
Just a moment. From this, did you get any kind of email from any other website like that was charged
No,
charged to you?
no, just
This is just the email you received.
no, it's a text message.
It's a text message. Hold on. Might be here. Let me check. In the past, have you happened to face or lose any kind of your personal documents like a social security state ID or your driving license or any of your bankers?
No,
And the cell phone you have, is that an Apple phone?
no,
Is it an iPhone?
no,
It's an Android, right?
no. It's a Nokia flip phone.
Oh, it's a flip phone.
You can't even put apps on it. It's talk and text only.
And also, a few minutes back, there is also one more charges. That is for $699.99. That was for the Apple MacBook. And I can see the address that is on the address of 144 Washington Avenue, Albany, New York. Are you familiar with that?
No, I'm not.
Hold on. Could be someone else. They have an access to your personal information, so that's the reason they are making these charges without your concern. Okay. Let me see what I can do from our hand.
All right.
Let me create a hacking report, and we will have to send it to the fraud protection teams as they take care of these cases. Okay.
All right.
Or these charges get deducted from your account. All right.
All right.
Well, I will be needing a few of your basic information so that I can send it the report to the fraud team. Okay.
All right.
I have your name is Angela Starks.
Yeah.
Zip code 24870.
Right.
Can you help me with your street address?
1285 Cook, COOK Parkway, PARKWAY, Oceana, West
Crook.
Virginia.
I'm sorry for interrupting. It's Crook. K-R-O.
No.
C-R-O-O-K,
No,
right?
COOK, Cook.
Cook.
Parkway.
And then
Parkway.
Parkway.
Yeah. Then Oceana, West Virginia, 24870.
Thank you for the information. And also here, there's two cards that have been linked to your Apple Pay. The card number starting with the 4 and the other one start with a 5. Can you please verify it from your hand, whether you have any kind of card starting with 4 and 5?
I have no credit card whatsoever. I have no debit card whatsoever.
Okay. You don't have any account, right?
No.
Okay. So it will just take a minute or two. We will go ahead and send this paperwork to the fraud team. And whatever that is crimes that is under your name, you don't need to worry. We will go ahead and erase everything for you, okay?
All right.
All right. Well, you have a lovely day, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll give you a call back, okay? Do not worry, all right?
All right.
Okay, you have a good day. Talk to you soon.
Bye. Well, he can't get on my phone, so they're not going to fool with it. Okay, I had to find out. So if you don't have something they can get on nose around, some kind of app that they can use to get on your stuff, then they don't want to do it. So just don't do it. No, I told them the truth. I don't have anything whatsoever Apple. I don't have Apple Pay. I don't have iTunes. I don't have any of it. So if you get a text, the ones of you that do have Apple, call the number that's, I don't know if you have a card or what it is, but call the number that you've signed up with. Don't call the number that they text to you, but call Apple directly and ask. Y'all take care.